Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your ATT.net account from your computer. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your ATT.net account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in att.net like this and hit enter, or you can just search for ATT.net login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see att.com over here. Click over there, and now you can see from the first result of Google we will be landing on the direct login page of ATT itself, while from over here we are on the home page of att.net. And now to log into your ATT account, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in from over here, and from the Google result you can see this is the login page of ATT itself, and this is the login page we redirected from the home page of ATT, since both of these are same. Let's both one of these. Now to log into your ATT account, you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your att.net account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can see the forgot user ID or forgot your password button available over here. Click on either one of those depending upon which one you lost, and you'll be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve your user ID or password. Or if you have not yet created an ATT account, you can see the create one now. Just click over there and you'll be taken to the procedure where you can create a new ATT account, and these are your login to your ATT account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.